everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have an Express haul. I don't typically shop at Express. I shop here and there at Express. I don't seem to have too much luck with clothes fitting me well. And I saw some things that caught my eye. First, I again saw Laura from Little Box of Happy have a top that caught my eye. And then I happened to be in the store itself, saw a cute sweater, and I said, okay, I think I might have enough for an order. Now, as you've been watching me, you know I've been on the search for a pair of like chambray or denim jogger pants. And I did try a pair from Express, and they looked horrible on me. I noticed they had a second style or a second thing, and these ones were knit. So I said, you know what, let me give them a try, right? So I ordered them. They are the high-waisted knit elastic waist slim jogger jeans, okay? And they're in a light wash, and they were $40.65. I measured the rise on this, and this I believe is like a 12-inch rise, depending on where you actually cut it off. You know, it's, you know, if I bring this back up and do it this way, it's a little bit less, maybe like an 11-inch rise. It was just, I don't see how these are gonna look good on me with my short frame. And I got a size 0, which is typically my size, although I have like 5 pounds up from what I should be. But these look very narrow in the waist and hips, and my hips are my problem area. I'll give these a go, but I am not hopeful that these would look good on me. They're, you know, the traditional 5-pocket style, but with an elastic pull-eye on waist and jogger bottoms. And they're a super soft, stretchy knit. They're gonna look great on someone. I just do not have high hopes of these looking good on me. Okay. Up next, and these are even have a higher waist, but they did have some saying that you need to size down, but I cannot size down anymore. These are the high-waisted linen blend pull-on ankle pant for $29.99. All right. They're a pull-on style too as well, but they have a flat front, elastic back. The one thing I didn't realize is that they're a little bit pleated, and pleats are not my friend. They do also have the slide/pockets. Those aren't my friend either with my hips. They also have a jogger bottom. These seem to be of a very nice quality. Let me see if I can find what the material is for you. It is 51% linen, 46% rayon, 3% spandex. Hand wash cold water separately. Only non-chlorine bleach. Oy, hand wash. I don't know about these. I mean, they seem like a nice, you know, linenish, cottonish fabric. Obviously no cotton in it, but, and I can see through them, but it doesn't look horrific. All right, I'll give them a shot, but I really do not think this rise will work for me. All right, next up is the top that I saw Laura get, and of course then I had to get it. And this is the printed Smock Flutter sleeve top. And as you know, I have a thing for smocking these days. I think if I do keep this top, it will be the last Smock top I keep, because enough is enough. But I thought the Flutter sleeve was really cute. It kind of has a sporadic polka dot print. It has the keyhole in the back and Smock front. And I got this in my usual extra small. It is kind of a crop style, but me being short, it should cover my stomach fine. I don't have any of this color. Some people call this mustard. I would say this is a little bit better than mustard. I call it like almost like a marigold color. I'm not a huge mustard fan because it has a little bit of brownish in it. This to me is more of a marigold, like a brighter yellow color. And I foresee wearing this with like maybe olive pants or an olive jacket. I don't know, I think this would go good with olive. I don't know, something about this just caught my eye. I don't have anything this color, so that's that. And did I say it was $22.49? The next thing that caught my eye, and I saw it in the store, is the puff sleeve wrap front sweater. And this I got for $43.35. And just to let you know, I did use coupons, and that's why the prices. I got this in an extra small, all right? And this is a really cute color. They're calling this color baked. It is coming across like hot pink on there. It is not. It is almost like a terracotta, maybe slightly brighter than a terracotta, but it is really a pretty color. It has the puff sleeves. It's a little bit of ruching here at the end of the sleeve. And let me see if I can find this material. It does seem like it would snag pretty easily. This is a size extra small, and it is 47% rayon, 32% polyester, 21% nylon. I feel the nylon has like a silky-ish feel. Turn garment inside out, machine wash, cold water, light colors, gentle cycle. Okay, lay flat to dry. I saw this in the store and I was debating between a small and an extra small. Typically I wear an extra small, but maybe an express I should size up to a small. I am not sure. The extra small looks narrow to me and doesn't look like it would fit me. When I was looking in the store, I thought the small was just too big. It would look like too low, too wide, too not flattering. I never tried it on in the store, and I said, you know, I'm gonna put an order in anyway, so let me try the extra small. If the extra doesn't work out, I will try a small when I go to return it. All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. These sand linen joggers, which are entirely too big in this area here, as you can see. These are an extra small. I cannot size down. They are way past my belly button. My belly button's here. These are about an inch above my belly button. Even if I bring them up higher so that they're under my breast, they look ridiculous still, and there's just still too much fabric right here. I'm not quite sure who these would fit, but they don't fit me. The top, as I suspected, is a little too small. I will go and try and exchange this in store to see if I can get this in the regular small versus this extra small, but I have a feeling it's gonna be too big. If this is just a little bit bigger, this would be nice, but I don't think so. And the color is beautiful. It's like a terracotta, maybe slightly brighter than a terracotta, but not probably as bright as the camera is picking it up. It also kind of has like a design in the fabric, and it has like a whole banded type of bottom, okay? See, it has the ruching here, and on this side, you can see it has like a pattern in the fabric, and the whole bottom part is a band, and it is a crop style, but I'm short, doesn't have any issues with me. This is a shame about the pants, but there's, no way I can keep these. They're just very ill-fitting, way too big. And these are extra small, so these are absolutely a no. All right, up next are the joggers, and those I'm not too hopeful for either, so give me a minute. Up next, I threw on, this cargo jacket is something I've owned, or I guess you call it a cargo or field jacket. I got it years ago from White House Black Market. And this is kind of what I was envisioning, like the outfit to look like in my head. I just thought for whatever reason olive would go really well with this top. I don't know why. I may also switch it out for olive pants. My wish list is a pair of level 99 joggers in dark olive green. I still have not gotten those, but I do want them. So I'll take the jacket off so you can see the outfit. The Smock top I think is a keeper. I don't think I have anything in my closet this color. It's unique to me. It's in style, it's trendy, but I have to say this is probably the last Smock top that I'll probably get because I know it will have like a limited wear. This is trendy now. I don't know how long Smock tops and these tight fitting tops will be in style, but I do like it, and it was like $22 something, $22.49 I think it was. And it's cute with the Flutter sleeves, and I will keep it. And I think this is a cute transitional / fall top, and I can wear it during the summer too. It's very light. It's 100% polyester, I believe, but it's light and airy. And you know what, I'm looking at it. Do some of the polka dots have pink? Yeah. Okay, so I thought it was all white, but there are some polka dots in this. I don't know if you could see it, that actually have like a pinkish color. All right. So I do like the top. I will keep the top. The joggers, they're a lot better fit than the last joggers I got from them. They are extremely, like they said, they're knit and they're extremely soft and stretchy. There is more room than I would like here in the length, but I'll have to take a look back and see the footage and see how bad that they look on me. They're probably one of the better pairs that I've tried on. You guys let me know and let me know what you think. They're good length for me. Very soft and stretchy, very comfortable. Whether or not they look good, I am not sure. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage and I will listen to you guys. If you say, Carolyn, don't buy those pants, I have no problem returning if they don't look good on me. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you have not subscribed yet, why not? I'm free. Click the notification bell, get notified of future videos from me. I do a lot of shopping hauls, unboxings, try-ons. I like to try new trends, new styles. So I'm always trying to bring something different to my channel because I am a chameleon and I have many different moods. All right, take care, and until next time.